Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to remove an interest on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. The process is simple, quick, and will help you take more control over what appears on your feed. Let's get started. First, open X by going to x.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, look at the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. From there, click on the option labeled More. This will open up a drop-down menu with several additional settings and features. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences and make adjustments to how X customizes your experience. Within this section, click on Privacy and Safety. This area focuses on how your content, ads, and recommendations are personalized. Now, under Privacy and Safety, find and click on Content You. See, this is a very important section because it influences what kind of tweets and topics appear on your feed. Once you're in Content You see, go ahead and open the Interests option. Here, you'll find a full list of topics and interests that X believes you want to see more of. These are usually based on your activity, the accounts you follow, and your recent interactions. If you feel that some of these interests no longer represent your preferences, it's time to uncheck them. Simply scroll through the list and uncheck any interests you don't want to follow anymore. Each time you uncheck an interest, you're signaling to X that you don't want related content appearing on your feed or in your recommendations. Once you're done, there's no need to save manually. Your changes are applied automatically. This simple update gives you more control over your recommended content, allowing you to enjoy a cleaner, more personalized experience on X. That's all for today's quick tutorial. Take a moment to review your interests every now and then, so your feed always stays aligned with what truly matters to you. Thanks for watching.